This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by updating firmware and confirming your source device's Bluetooth settings are current. This avoids codec mismatches. Next, perform the fit test. Try each silicone tip until you get a secure seal that noticeably cuts ambient noise, because bass and clarity depend on fit. Once done, switch noise control to off so you can hear the unprocessed bassline. This lets you judge changes from equalization and settings more accurately before applying any permanent tweaks. Now you open your EQ and work methodically. Cut a little bass where it booms and boost the presence band to reveal vocals and detail. You should aim for subtle changes, think 1 to 3 decibels, so you preserve dynamics. Make sure the app or system uses the highest quality output and doesn't apply aggressive processing or resampling, because that can smear transients. Once you hear a noticeable improvement, compare with noise cancellation, on and off, to pick the best combination for your tracks. Finish by refining your EQ using familiar, well-mixed reference tracks at a steady level so your ears adapt correctly. Save presets for genres like bass-heavy or acoustic. If you encounter imbalance, crackling, or distortion, unpair and reset the AirPods Pro, then repair. This often clears Bluetooth issues. Make sure tips and meshes are clean because debris alters frequency response. If problems persist, check firmware one more time before seeking service, since updates sometimes fix audio bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.